Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Dent token. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down channel, and I also want to show you this bearish pennant that Dent token has formed on the daily time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of Dent token that I shared with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that Dent token completed, I think on the 4-hour time frame chart. This was the chart. And you can see I shared this idea on 10th of September. And on the 4-hour time frame chart, it formed this bat move with Bitcoin pair. And this was our buying zone that starts from 477 and goes to 468, and this was our sell target zone that was starting from 503 and goes to 0.0000000531 bitcoins. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line pumped very well, and here it reached the sell target and again dropped down, and again it is slightly moved up. And by the way, before this pattern, Dent token also completed another harmonic bullish butterfly move that I shared with my members on 17th of July, when the price line completed this final leg of a harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move. And let me play this chart, and you can see that we had it again a very powerful pump, even beyond these sell targets that I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this butterfly move. Now let me to take you to this weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that Dent token is moving inside a very long-term down channel, and it is not able to break out this resistance even after several attempts. You can see we got rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, and we also got several bounces as well. And here we have a very strong key support zone that starts from $0.00082 and goes to $0.001. And right now the price line is moving inside this very strong and key support zone. We can see that when we had this big drop in the month of May 2022, the price line moved up, again moved down, again moved up, and this is the key resistance zone that the price line is not able to break out after the May 2022. You can see we got rejected, and here previously it was working as a support as well, and here it was working as a support in July 2021. Therefore we need to break it out in order to make any bigger move. And you can see that this time this resistance of the channel and this key resistance zone of $0.0015, by the way, we have this resistance zone here, and we need to break out these two resistance levels at the same time. Now let me to take you to the daily time frame chart. Then here we can see that the movement is getting squeezed inside this bearish pennant, and you can see every time it is nicely getting bounced from the support and reaching the resistance. Here we had a big gap, by the way, but you can see this resistance is still working as a very strong hurdle for the price line to move up from here. And the movement is quite squeezed, therefore at any time it can break out or break down the resistance or support. There is a probability of breaking out. Previously, I was thinking that it may break down because you can see that it is testing the support more than the resistance. That is another signal that we can break down. But as you can see, it is a bearish pattern that is also considered as a bullish bias pattern. And we can see that the price line has formed lower than previous low, and at the same time RSI is moving up and it is forming higher low than previous low. So there is also a bullish divergence flashed while the price line is moving at the very end of this pen. Therefore there is a very high probability for the breakout. Now for example, if the price line breaks down, in that situation the target to the downside can be here. That will be quite low, approximately at $0.0004. And in case of breakout, we can expect a move here up to the top of this pennant that will be approximately $0.0013. And in that situation, we can also make a powerful attempt to break out this resistance of the channel and also this resistance of $0.0015. And by the way, if the price line will be able to break out this resistance of the channel, in that situation our target can be here at the top of the channel. I would suggest you to set target here because we have a lot of resistance here. that will be approximately at $0.0078. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel and bell, and for more ideas you can also support me and join me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.